Commonly asked questions about cats. Cats purr for various reasons: contentment, comfort, or even to self-heal. Some suggest it may also be a form of communication. On average, indoor cats live 12 to 18 years, but some can live into their early 20s with proper care. Cats are obligate carnivores and thrive on a diet primarily consisting of meat-based cat food. They need nutrients like taurine, which is crucial for their health. Kneading is a behavior from kittenhood associated with comfort and contentment. It can also be a leftover behavior from nursing. Cats can be trained using positive reinforcement techniques. They respond well to clicker training for tricks or for behaviors like using a litter box. Cats meow to communicate with humans, seeking attention, food, or expressing discomfort. Like humans, cats experience different sleep cycles, including REM sleep, suggesting that they likely dream. Gradual introduction in neutral territory, using scent swapping and controlled visual contact, helps in reducing conflicts between cats. Cats have excellent night vision due to a high number of rod cells in their eyes, which enable them to see in low light conditions. This behavior is a part of their natural hunting instinct and can be a way of showing affection or teaching their owners hunting skills. Remember, while these are frequently asked questions, each cat is unique, so their behaviors and needs may vary. If you have specific concerns about your cat, consulting with a veterinarian is always a good idea.